So in the previous video, we have selected the split by object, and I have created a split by creating a single line. Now let me try to split the total draft by creating a closed loop section. So first I'll complete the creation of the draft quickly. So presently I'm having this draft. Now I'll go to split, and under that I'll select the final option, split by object. I'll go to define and select the face. Let me click on sketch right now and to the sketch view. Now I'll take the line command. I'll try to create a closed loop so that we can understand we can see the effects of the change in the hinges, in the split with respect to the closed loop. So you can see we have two different nodes available over here for altering those kind of draft feature. So this is another option present to us. We can also use a single line, or else we can try to create a closed loop and see the changes into the draft. So I can simply press OK. And this is the draft what I've created. So these are certain options which are very rarely used, but it is a thing to have a knowledge about. So let us move to the next video.